Morning, students. Nikunj,
Yes, sir.
could you just tell me where had we left the last
A
class?
dangling has finished. Dangling
Dang-
pointers.
Dangling and misplaced both have been finished.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, Now we can go into the next chapter, which is causative verbs, uh, passive and causative both. Uh, if I just let me open the word file because typing in the word file is easier. I hope all of you are keeping fine by health. See about this new term causative verb. Uh, if we talk about just causative verb as of now, then it is referring to particular set of verbs which is employed by someone to make something or someone commit an action. पॉजिटिव वर्ब का मीनिंग यही है. सपोज आई मेक विवेक perform an action. Positive verbs is very, that the meaning is cause someone to do an action. I make Vivek do something. Okay. जहां पे आप खुद एक्शन नहीं करते हो, आप एक्शन को कॉज करवाते हो किसी और के थ्रू से. You have to remember this much only. So there are many verbs like these: make, get. Uh, like example, I made Nikunj eat pasta. Here Nikunj did not, by his intention, want to eat pasta. I made him. I compelled him. So make, compel, help, get. All these are causative verbs where you cause someone to perform an action. I made him kill another person. So here I, sort of poked another person to commit something. He is not the subject over here. He is being made to perform an action. Similarly, I am not performing the action kill. So I made him kill someone. So I am not killing that particular person, the third person. I am causing the death of another, but the person who is doing such an action, वो अलग है. So we'll go into causative verbs first. We have to I'll be briefly discussing because you know passive verbs, passive sentences. So in passive, what we normally see is that in there are two kinds of sentence. Obviously, active and passive. You know that. So normally the structure of an active sentence is subject plus verb plus either object uh, or some object phrase. Now you have to remember one thing: passive sentences never ever ever take compliments. The presence of object is a must. इसीलिए if you are talking about sir, what about a sentence which is in the quasi passive? There is I mean, don't go for the quasi passive ones. Yes, you can say that sentences like let us go there. Here, let us, let is a causative verb. It is making us, making us, the object, do something. So you have to remember this. There are a set of causative verbs: make, uh, get, um, compel, help, let. All these are, over there. Here, what happens when you apply those verbs? आप किसी दूसरे बंदे से कोई एक्शन परफॉर्म करवाते हो. This is what is happening. So we'll come into that. Before that, one more thing I want to tell you, that in passive sentences, you don't change the tense. Remember this. Normally, we have our mind gets confused with what is going to happen in the case of direct, indirect, and passive. So mostly, some of us end up changing the particular tense of the sentence. So if it is in the present tense, a present continuous, the passive will be in the present continuous. If it is in the past perfect, the passive will be in the past perfect. So as I had said, the presence of the object is a must. So um, I um, hit a car. So obviously here, what the person is saying, that the subject is saying that he hit a car. So in this case, what happens is, for the passive, the object, all these things becomes subject, and vice versa. Subject becomes object. And one thing, that the verb that you have in question will change into auxiliary plus third form of the verb. So it is third form of the verb. Uh, yeah. So I hit a car will be a car was hit by, by, the presence of by is also essential. By object, it becomes by me. The reindeer. Now, if the sentence is was running into the park, remember you have to notice if there is an object or not. If you say कि sir यहाँ पे तो into the park is a prepositional phrase, so a prepositional phrase has a noun as an object. No. That is not the argument that we are going to have over here. Prepositional phrase might have a noun as an object, but as a whole in the sentence, the object is not, I mean, the noun is not playing the role of an object. So here, whenever you find a preposition succeeding a verb, जब भी एक preposition एक verb के बाद आता है, you find the dissolution of the object altogether. Once, I repeat, once a preposition succeeds a verb, the main verb, a finite verb, right at that point of time, the prospect of an object in the sentence and the prospect of passivizing the sentence vanishes into thin air. So such a sentence cannot be changed into the form of passive. So we have to think of something else. So the reindeer was eating raspberries. Yeah, here we have something. So over here we have the subject, the reindeer. Then we have the verb. Now the tense is obviously in the past continuous, and we have an object as well, raspberries. So when you are converting it, you have to maintain the past continuous form, and for that you have to, since it is raspberries has become the subject over here, you have to look at the plural form of raspberries while you are constructing the finite verb. Raspberries were being eaten by the reindeer. So here the past continuous in this particular sentence, this is being maintained over here. The only thing that is getting changed, auxiliary plus verb ka third form, this is the minimum requirement. You have to maintain that. Verb will become auxiliary plus verb's third form, but the tense has to be organized in that fashion. Then let's go with a present continuous. Um, the kakri seller is singing Nazir's songs. By Nazir, I mean Nazir Akbarabadi. So the kakri seller is singing Nazir's songs. Here you have the subject, and then you have the verb in the present continuous, and then you have the object, Nazir's songs. So you can say Nazir's songs were now because it's songs. So Nazir's songs was being sang. Nazir's song was being sung because it's the verb's third form. Sing, sang, sung. So sung by the Kakri seller. This is present continuous, remaining as present continuous form. Oh, sorry. It did not remain. Is being sung. By mistake, even I changed the structure. Is being sung. नजर नहीं ये तो are being होगा ना. Actually, once you are hit with the viral fever, it becomes difficult to concentrate even. Uh, so now going into the uh, future continuous. First of all, you have to look into if the future continuous can be changed into the passive voice or not. So, uh, can you give a sentence on your own where of there is a subject, future continuous finite verb, future? Okay, give me a simple future finite verb, and then following an object. No, okay, it's I will um, visit you. I will visit you soon. Now, soon is just a kind of adjunct that you have added over here. So I will visit you soon. You will say, now you is the object over here. This is the object, and this becomes the subject. You will be visited by me soon. So will visit. I mean, will plus verb becomes will be plus verb's third form. Remember these little things. K will uh will plus verb is equal to, I mean, in the passive, will plus verb in active becomes will be plus third form of verb in passive. You have to just keep on trying in this manner. Then this is for simple future.
सर ऊपर स्क्रॉल करना सर थोड़ा सा. यस सर, अभी 1 मिनट रुकना सर. यस सर, हो गया.
Okay. Now, if we move into, we have done Present continuous, we have done past continuous. What about future continuous? Sumit will be singing a song. Sumit will be singing a song today. So a song will be singing है तो will be क्या होगा यहाँ पे? This is the trick part. Let's see. Is it going to be will be sung? What is the passive that you have over here? बताओ. What is the passive? You have the subject, you have the future continuous verb, you have the object. Can you passivize this sentence or not? Can you passivize this sentence? क्या ये सेंटेंस का पैसिव हो सकता है या नहीं? Come on, try. All of you are here. So many students are here. Please try on your own. I can expect at least. I cannot, since I'm not well. I would like you to, cooperate. What about future continuous? Can it be passivized or not? इतना बता दो.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Are you sure about that? Correct. So you have to remember this. Future continuous, actually it's, rarely possible. Will be being, it was practiced probably after the, once Renan Martin came into the scene, we saw that in English, it is not used anymore. So future continuous, passive, not in use, I should say. So this is the part where you have to tread carefully. Otherwise, there can be some huge mistakes because you don't know where you are going to land up in. There whenever you are trading, please trade carefully. Then, if I have done the simple forms and the continuous forms, I would like you to just a second. I hit a car. Wait. Car is hit होगा, a car is hit by me, I hit a car. यहाँ पे normally okay you can say it's was because of the particular fact कि past tense जो होता है इसका verb सेकेंड फॉर्म होता है वो भी हिट ही होता है, आई हिटेड नहीं होता है. In this you can say कि it is in the past tense because simple टेंस में आई हिट अ कार मतलब मैं अभी हिट कर रहा हूँ जाके, उस फॉर्म में नहीं होता है. तो yes, when we are talking about the the sentence that is over here, however keep you keep this in mind कि अगर इसका पैसिव करने को कहा तो a song will be being. This is a special part where I am giving you, but future continuous passive is not in use anymore. However, structure देख लो, will be being sung. वो ये का sing का थर्ड फॉर्म जो है sung will be being sung by सुमित. मैं बता रहा हूँ कि ये वाला स्ट्रक्चर अब उतना प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया जाता है. स्टिल God knows what happens in second year. So if they consider it that you know they will give it, then you cannot challenge them. So please be cautious of this particular thing. Then there similarly, suppose the mechanic will be fixing the car at 5. The mechanic will be fixing the car at 5. So the car is the object. The car will be being fixed by the mechanic at 5. So this is the structure that you must have in mind at least. Let me write it. तो ये सब है नहीं यूज में, फिर भी आप लिख के रखो. द मैकेनिक विल बी fixing the car at 5. The car will be being fixed by the mechanic at. So here ये मैं since it's the different there is a difference, I should use something. I should use a color. I should highlight it. It's better because ये सब प्रचलित अब नहीं है. So in that case, I am marking it as green. Will be fixing, will become, will be being fixed. If you are asked, this is the structure you have to keep. Will be being is the minimum requirement. Will be being. फिर verb का third form. Simple. But I'm telling you, this is the important point that now it's no more, in such use at all. Now coming to down to the perfect structures. When you are taking a look at the perfect structures, you have simple present perfect. So IQ. he has taken care of. He has taken care. नहीं. He has taken the series uh, with him. Remember, look at this structure. Subject he has taken is the verb plus in the finite verb in the present perfect structure. Then the object is right here, and rest of it, the prepositional phrase with him is the is coming as the extra information. उसको आप ड्रॉप भी कर सकते हो, but don't drop it because that is in the question. So you have to start from which is the object. Here your object is being stated. So you have to say the series now has taken. Okay, so you have to look at अच्छा CDs, ये plural show कर दे रहा है. CDs have been taken by him. Okay, now he has taken the CDs with him. With him, as I had said, is an extra piece of information that has been added to it. It comes as an adjunct. So the necessity of with him over here हमें देखना होगा क्योंकि ये नेसेसिटी बाद में रहेगी कि नहीं. जब हम पैसिव कर रहे हैं, the CDs, it starts with the CDs, obviously. The CDs have been taken. Now, by him has to come, as a rule, because by is the after by the object of the sentence का. तो by him के बाद फिर आप with him नहीं करोगे. So the CDs have been taken by him is enough. You have to keep these things in mind, little things. The CDs have been taken by him. You don't say the CDs with him have been taken by him. Because ये जैसे ही जो यहाँ पे है, he जैसे ही अपना He is a subjective personal pronoun in this case. Once it is changing its form into an objective personal pronoun and becoming him, the requirement of with him in the active sentence is evaporating altogether. तो आपको ये सारी छोटे छोटे चीजों को भी देखना होगा. Suppose this sentence that I had given you another sentence. Sachin has scored 18,000 runs. This is straightforward, way straightforward than the previous one. So यहाँ पे आपको कोई problem ही नहीं होता because you know that okay 18,000 runs have been scored by Sachin. There is no problem over here. You don't have any doubt that that is because of the fact that here you don't have an adjunct. You have an like the first sentence, the previous sentence. So ये बहुत straight forward है आपके लिए. ये has scored बन जाता है have been scored. So you can easily say that here this is the only change that is occurring. हाँ यहाँ पे भी होता है, यहाँ पे change नहीं, इसको drop कर दिया जाएगा with him, because by him के बाद with him देने का कोई मतलब नहीं बनता है. You have to notice what is it an adverb or not. If it is an adverb, then keep it. Today या soon देखिए यहाँ पे today it's an adverb, so you have to maintain it. Then soon, this is an adverb of time again, so you have to keep it. You have to maintain it. But with him is a prepositional phrase, so you don't need to hold on to it. It's not even a prepositional phrase, because again if we say that it's a prepositional phrase, the after a preposition a noun should be the object. Here a pronoun is the object, so it's properly not functioning as a prepositional phrase, but because of the structure noun is substituted by the pronoun. हम लोग उसको मान लेते हैं, पर ये सेंटेंस में तो ये एडजंक्ट है. सून टुडे एडजंक्ट नहीं है, वो एडवर्ब है जो मॉडिफाई कर रहे हैं, वो मॉडिफाई कर रहे हैं. विथ हिम किसी को मॉडिफाई नहीं कर रहा है, वहां पे प्रीपोजिशन फ्रेज की तरह एक वहां पे बैठा हुआ है, एंड इट इज काइंड ऑफ एन एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन. दैट इज ऑल. नाउ after present perfect structures, let us go into the past perfect structure. So they had seen him in they had seen him last year. He had been seen by them last year. Another sentence. Piyush had eaten the apples from the box. Remember one thing, suddenly it came to my mind. If there is a two clause sentence, like if the sentence was Piyush had eaten the apples from the box before we arrived, ऐसे sentence passive नहीं हो सकते. क्यों? क्योंकि because there are two clauses, so the chances of the two clauses might be that they might differ in their tense structure. So please be careful. When there are two clauses, you cannot change it into passive. one clause structure is required to convert into passive. Now let's do it. Uh, Now here the object was the apples. The apples from, you can write from the box over here, because बाद में from the box देने से it is going to cause dangling meaning. So here from the box is a prepositional phrase, but it's also an adverbial of place. Remember that. Here from the box is an adverbial of place as well. Prepositional phrase है, लेकिन साथ में वो भी है. तो from the box had been eaten by पीयूष. अब आप कहोगे सर अगर हम लोग यहाँ पे see what happens. What if we mention it over here? Meaning कैसा लग रहा है देख के. The apples had been eaten by Piyush from the box. Sentence correct है? Come on, tell me. Instead of Piyush had eaten the apples from the box, this was your original sentence in active voice. This was the original sentence in the active voice. Look at the structure now and tell me if this structure is perfect or not. Piyush had eaten the apples from the box. The apples had been eaten by Piyush from the box. Meaning सही है. क्या हुआ? Somebody respond here.
Yes sir, सही है.
कैसे सही है? ध्यान से देखो. फ्रॉम द बॉक्स पीयूष है. पीयूष क्या बॉक्स के अंदर से खा रहा है एप्पल्स को? सेंटेंस का स्ट्रक्चर देखो. द एप्पल्स हैड बीन ईटन बाय पीयूष फ्रॉम द बॉक्स. इट इज सीमिंग एज इफ पीयूष is inside the box and eating the apples. The apples had been eaten by Piyush from the box. So Piyush from the box had eaten the apples, like something like that structure. तो ये यहाँ पे नहीं हो सकता बेटा.
सर
Yes.
सर आगे पहुंचा सकते हैं सर इसको. फ्रॉम द बॉक्स द एप्पल हैड बीन ईटन.
Obviously आगे ही तो पहुंचेगा. ये तो मैं चेंज किया और मैंने कहा कि बताओ तो ये सही है कि नहीं. ये तो पहले मैं वैसे ही लिखा था. आगे ही पहुंचेगा. ये यहाँ पे द एप्पल्स फ्रॉम द बॉक्स हैड बीन ईटन बाय पीयूष. तो यहाँ पे एक चीज ध्यान रखना. I want to warn you about something. Here, your subject is not, I mean, ये सेंटेंस में ये आपका ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं था. ऑब्जेक्ट यही था. ठीक है. लेकिन क्योंकि इसका लोकेशन, एप्पल्स का लोकेशन बता रहा है, तो आप यहाँ पे उसको लेकर आ रहे हो. यहाँ पे ये जो ऑब्जेक्ट था ये सब्जेक्ट बन रहा है. फ्रॉम द बॉक्स इज नॉट द सब्जेक्ट. रिमेंबर दैट. फ्रॉम द बॉक्स क्या है? एक एडवर्बियल है और वो वहां पे ईटन को ही मॉडिफाई कर सकता है, बिकॉज इट कैन नॉट मॉडिफाई नाउन्स. if you say that sir it is functioning as an adverbial of adverb of place as well, तब वैसे होगा. लेकिन ये साथ में प्रेपोजिशनल फ्रेज भी है और प्रेपोजिशनल फ्रेज के तौर पे ज्यादा फंक्शन कराओ, डाउट दूर हो जाएगा. तो द एप्पल्स मतलब फ्रॉम द बॉक्स कौन है? द एप्पल्स. फ्रॉम द बॉक्स पीयूष नहीं. जब द एप्पल्स फ्रॉम द बॉक्स हैड बीन ईटन बाय पीयूष कहते हो, दैट इज साउंडिंग more sane. Now, I forgot to. So this is past perfect structure. Now we'll move into future perfect. So Sonam will have eaten the dinner, eaten her dinner by 7. Yes. Can this be configured into the passive form or not? बताओ. हो सकता है, बिल्कुल हो सकता है कि अगर वो if you can convert even the uh, क्या है continuous of future, तो ये तो आराम से हो सकता है. दिस इज स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड. सोनम्स, यहाँ पे हर डिनर नहीं, सोनम्स डिनर, बिकॉज हर डिनर से स्टार्ट नहीं करते हो. वो कॉन्टेक्स्ट तुम्हें बताना पड़ेगा किसका डिनर. सोनम्स डिनर will have been eaten by her by 7. This is pretty straightforward. This has no doubt at all. I mean, you should not have any doubts. If in case you have any doubts, you may ask. So whenever you see in future perfect, active, active, the will plus have plus, oh, plus verb changes into पैसिव में वो बन जाएगा will have been verb third form. This is the structure that normally you find. Now coming to the next uh, structure, that is uh, our perfect continuous. When we go into perfect continuous, you have simple perfect continuous, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous. However, we are running short of time. I have to quickly sum up. Uh, uh, Sorry. This is present tense, present perfect continuous. Uh, You can add the time duration, which you should. पिछले सेंटेंस मैंने ऐड नहीं किया था टाइम ड्यूरेशन, बट ऑब्वियसली टाइम ड्यूरेशन ऐड हो जाता है. हाँ भाई. Can this be passivized or not?
No, sir.
Present continuous नहीं हो. Present perfect continuous, no passive formulation. What about past perfect continuous?
तीनों ही नहीं होते सर.
वो तीनों ही नहीं होगा. परफेक्ट, एकदम श्योर.
Yes, sir. Yes.
चलो, तीनों ही नहीं होगा. So here we are in agreement. No passive formed. Just like इसमें भी नहीं होगा. क्या नाम है? ये वाला जैसे डाउटफुल केस है, फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस पैसिव फॉर्म नहीं होता है, वैसे मैंने दिया है तुम लोग को, बट जस्ट आई मीन फॉर योर नॉलेज इट इज नॉट, यू हैव टू कंसिडर दैट ये होता नहीं है नॉर्मली, और ये भी नहीं होते हैं. Now having said that, this is your structures of the passives that you have. We are left with only causative forms, and causative forms, as I had said, that sentences like Piyush made me eat pasta. She saw me leave. Let us drink. They they helped us fight. They helped us fight the opposition. Here, these are some examples of positive verbs. ये causative verbs के example है. यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे subject is not eating pasta. Subject is making someone eat pasta. Here, the subject is not leaving. Subject is, causing or, making someone leave. So here, I mean, the causing part is there. Here, the subject, whoever the subject is over here, we. So here, we is not telling the object, we is not drinking. Rather, here, one person is, there is one person when he, and that one person is saying, let us drink. So he is suggesting, he is putting the supposition, presupposition कि चलो सब मिल के पीते हैं. So here you have to understand that the subject over here actually was one person who suggested that we ... and that particular sentence is mentioned over here. So we will discuss about causative verbs more. I have given you the phrase clause sheet. Please solve it as quickly as you can. In the next class, we will be discussing over it. Okay. It's already time. I have to jump on to the next class as well. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.